Today, we'll be exploring two fantastic apps that provide convenient menu button features to make your experience smoother and more efficient. Whether you need quick access to essential functions or a classic menu button for compatibility, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Button Master Assistive Touch. Button Master Assistive Touch is a versatile app designed to provide users with easy access to various device functionalities through an assistive touch menu. This app allows users to create a customizable floating button on their screen that gives quick access to essential features such as home, back, recent apps, and notifications. Additionally, it includes shortcuts for system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and volume controls. The app offers numerous customization options, allowing users to change the appearance, size, and position of the floating button to suit their preferences. This app is particularly useful for individuals who want an easier way to navigate their devices or those with accessibility needs, enhancing overall usability and convenience. Menu Button Android. Menu Button Android is an app that aims to restore the classic menu button functionality on devices that lack a physical or software menu button. This app is especially useful for users of newer Android devices, where the traditional menu button has been phased out. Menu Button Android creates a virtual button that can be placed on the screen, allowing users to access menu options in apps that still utilize this feature. The app is easy to use and can be configured to appear as an overlay of the screen while offering adjustable transparency to blend with the device's interface. By providing this functionality, the app helps users navigate older apps seamlessly, making it a handy tool for those who miss this feature or frequently use applications that require a menu button. Thanks for watching. We hope this look at the best menu button apps helps you improve your device's usability and navigation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more app recommendations and tech tips. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know below. Until next time, happy navigating!